This bonus lesson is to demonstrate how to use a twin needle. It is used instead of a very expensive machine called a Cover Pro. The Cover Pro is a rather fancy machine that will shake your pocket to the tune of about 10,000 Rand. Let me show you a much cheaper way of doing the same thing. I'm using one of our featured products, a So Fabulous ruler with markings to line up the edge of the fabric. In this case, I've decided I want my hem, my fold line, the final hem line, to be 2.5 centimeters wide. Special pencil, also available in the shop. I'm going to give this fold line a quick ironing. Next, you want to tack down your hem very close to the edge. The tacking is done. I have fitted the secondary pin, which is required to hold the second reel of thread needed when stitching with a twin needle. Our tacking, and this is how close to the edge it should be. The tacking is doing 3 jobs. It's holding the hem in place. It's giving you a center line to stitch on. That is the line that the 2 needles will straddle while sewing. And thirdly, it prevents the fabric from stretching out of whack. Reinforcing backwards a few stitches. And let's see. That looks like a real professional job. And here you can see on the reverse side how the stitches have neatly caught the edge of the fabric. All you need to do is remove that center line tacking stitch and you're ready to go. If you find that your stitches are skipping while using a universal needle, switch to a stretch needle, which will end all those problems. Universal is suitable for most fabrics, whereas stretch is what it says it is. These stitches were made on the Cover Pro. And it is rather stretchy without distorting the stitches. The stitches made with the twin needle are just as stretchy.